Right then, what we're going to do now is show you how to use the data import wizard. So this is for when you're importing data and you've got under 50,000 records, otherwise you would need to use the data loader, which you'd have to download. So for this, click on the gear icon and click on setup, which opens in a new tab. Then in the quick find box, just search for import wizard. Now if we click on that, and that will take you to the actual wizard page. Once that loads up, you'll be looking for a part that says launch wizard. So once you do that, click on the launch wizard. Now I'm going to download leads here, but you can obviously search for whatever object that you want to actually put in, and I'm going to add it to be add new records. Now for this, I've got a CSV file already, so I'm going to click on CSV and then click choose file. And this is where I've got the CVS file that I've got. So once I've got that and click open, that's got everything. So all I do now in the bottom right hand corner is I click next, and that will start the mapping. So here you need to check the headings, make sure everything's going to be correct and they're all going to be in the correct area. For that, I've already got it all set up, so it's all matching up. So again, you just click next, and then it's all been checked for you. So you click start import, and because I've only got a few, that will be done already. So now once you go into your leads, they'll all be added in and you've imported the data.